Okay, good. Okay, guys. So I mentioned you. So I told you about the today's class that what we are going to do today. So this will be a vocabulary building and speaking and listening opportunities class. And here we would get listening and speaking opportunity, and also we would enhance our vocabulary. Okay. And today's theme is animals. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. It will be a short class. This class again will be parted into two parts. Okay, in the first part we will see the pictures, and on the second part we will do some assessment. Nuzhat, Shaista, I can see you what you all are doing. तुम लोग जो कर रहे हो मुझे दिख रहा है. I can see you. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so give me some confirmation if you are able to see my screen. Give me some confirmation. Can everybody tell me whether you can see my screen? Yes. Can you see my screen? Pranjal, give me some response. Can you see my screen?
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Okay, so now mute yourself, beta. Mute कर दे अपनी तरफ से. So I'm going to lead this class. Okay, mute कर लो आप. Okay, okay, thank you. So this is the today's topic. Okay, now, so this is today's topic, vocabulary, and based on animals, names. Okay, and this class will provide you listening and speaking opportunity too. Okay, so now I'm going to move to the next slide, and here I'm going to tell you that how we are going to proceed. शाम्भवी म्यूट कर लो बेटा, म्यूट कर दें प्लीज. शाम्भवी को हेल्प कर दें म्यूट करने के लिए, उनका ऑडियो ऑन है. ओके ओके. So the process will be, tell me if you have visited zoo. So we would discuss about the zoo scenery, okay, that what we see in the zoo, and after that we would talk about some animals, okay, which we see in zoo, and then we would discuss about all those animals. And in next class we would do the assessment part. Okay, so this much we are going to do today. So let me move to the further slide. Yes. So tell me if you have visited zoo. Now I am going to show you the picture, and in this picture, I think I that you are able to see so many animals. Yes. In this picture, there's a tiger, there's a giraffe, there's a horse, and there are cows, there are monkeys, there are birds. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. मैं जब बोलूँगा तब unmute करेंगे. Okay, mute it. Mute from your side. Mute from your side. Okay, Mahak, mute it. Okay, so here we can see bird, and then a lizard, and then there are snakes. There is frog, cock, sheep. So this is a zoo. हम लोग नॉर्मली ये देखते हैं कि जू में वाइल्ड एनिमल्स रहते हैं, बट इन दिस जू देयर आर many kinds of animals which are found in jungle homos. Yes, तो हम ये इस तरीके की जानवर जो है हम इस जू में देख रहे हैं. Yes, I know that there are so many animals that you are very familiar of. Yes, yes. So I'm going to go to the next slide. केशव म्यूट कर लो. केशव म्यूट करो अपनी तरफ से. केशव म्यूट योर फोन. Mute it. Okay. Now on the second slide there are some more animals. Yes. In this slide we have got an elephant, some mice, and then lions, and then goats, 3 goats, and then there is hippopotamus, and in this pond, in this pool, there are ducks. In the same pool, there is a crocodile. Yes, and in the same picture, you can see a dog dragging the boy. है ना, एक कुत्ता है जो अपने उस बच्चे जो पकड़ा है उसको खींच रहा है. Yes, so this way in this picture we saw so many animals. Yes, okay. So let me move to the first slide. ओके, सो नाउ अब आप सबने ये पिक्चर एक बार बहुत ध्यान से देख लें. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस, ओके, एंड दैट क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू आंसर. ओके, सो सी इन दिस पिक्चर. बहुत ही डिटेल से, बहुत ही फोकस से आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस, ओके. So I hope you all have seen those pictures very carefully. Okay, all the animals who are there in the picture and what activity they are doing, you all have got the idea by seeing the picture. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Now you have to answer. But answer जैसे ही करेंगे उसके बाद तुरंत आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर देंगे. इस चीज की आपको मुझे थोड़ी सी प्रॉमिस करनी पड़ेगी. अदरवाइज फिर हम अगर चालू करके रखेंगे कंटिन्यू तो हमें डिस्टर्बेंस होगी. इतना आपको करना पड़ेगा. ओके गाइस, सो what is tiger doing? What is tiger doing in the picture? What is tiger doing? Yes? Yes.
Tiger is sleeping.
Yes. Try to answer. Try to answer in English. Try to answer in English. Try to answer in English. Okay. So the tiger is sleeping on the roof. On the roof. Okay, the tiger is sleeping on the roof. Next, how many snakes are there? How many snakes are there? How many snakes are there in the pictures? How many snakes are there in the picture? Count and tell me how many snakes are there in the picture. Yes? Yes?
Outside. Things are picture.
No, I am asking the question. How many snakes are there?
3 snakes.
Yes. Can you see that? 2 snakes are here in the container. 2 snakes are here in the container. A red snake and blue snake. And a yellow red snake is going out of the room. So 3.
Inside.
Yes, we have got 3 snakes in this picture. Now I am going to ask you more. What is the color of giraffe? Can you tell me what are the color of giraffe?
No.
Yes.
Brown and yellow.
Brown. Yes. The giraffe's color is brown and yellow. The giraffe's color is brown and yellow. Okay.
Yellow.
How many? Now, please listen to me. The next question. How many children are there? How many children are playing there? Or how many children are there in the zoo? In this slide, in this picture.
6 children.
Can you count it? 6 children are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 is running here. Yes. So 6 children are there. You got it, guys. Right? You got it right, guys. Okay. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why this girl is afraid? Why this girl is shouting? Can you tell me why this girl is shouting? Why this girl is fearful, afraid, डरी हुई है? Why this girl is afraid? Why this girl is afraid? Why this girl is crying? Why this girl is shouting? ये क्यों डरी हुई है? Why this girl is afraid? किससे डर रही है? Yeah, this girl is afraid of the snake because the snake is coming out of the room and going towards her. Yes. देखो भाई बच्चे लोग, एक चीज मुझे प्रॉमिस करो, आप लोग पीछे ना हल्ला नहीं करेंगे, पीछे से हल्ला हो रहा है ना, आवाजें आ रही है ना, प्लीज मेंटेन दैट, तब हम अच्छे से क्लास कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज दिक्कत होगी, है ना, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ। ओके, सो पीछे से हल्ला नहीं होना चाहिए, प्लीज कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड। सो दिस गर्ल इज अफ्रेड ऑफ snake. Now, can you tell me what are frogs are doing? What are frogs are doing? What are frogs are doing? Yes, frogs are jumping. You can see one frog is inside the water and one frog is sitting on a rock. एक फ्रॉग जो है रॉक पे बैठा हुआ है and second frog is sitting in the is in the water. Yes. Okay, so let me move to the next slide and we will talk about that slide too. Now I'm going to ask you about this picture. Yes, please keep responding. Okay. टीवी चल रहा है क्या पीछे किन्हीं के यहाँ? प्लीज ऑफ कर दे, टीवी स्विच ऑफ कर दे, टीवी चल रहा है, आई थिंक आई कैन लिसन द वॉइस, टीवी चल रहा है प्लीज। ओके ओके, सो हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर देयर? हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर देयर इन दिस पिक्चर? हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर देयर?
Lions are picture.
Okay, very nice. So three lines are there in the picture. Okay, what is elephant doing? What is elephant doing? What is elephant doing? Yes. What is elephant doing?
सुनाया नहीं जा रहा।
No, you will listen, beta. What is elephant doing?
आवाज टक आ रहा है। नहीं आ रहा है।
सभी को दिक्कत हो रही है क्या?
जी।
सभी को दिक्कत हो रही है? ओके, अभी ठीक है ना? Did you get it right now? बेटा कुछ लोगों को आप लोग की तरफ नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम होगी, इस वजह से आवाज नहीं जा रही होगी, अगर सभी को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो बताएं। I am asking beta now, listen to my question, what is elephant doing? What is elephant doing? What is this elephant doing? Yes, what is this elephant doing? Yeah, this elephant is sitting, but you can see its face. इसका चेहरा देखो, ये डरा हुआ है. It is afraid of these mouse. इन चूहों की वजह से वो डरा हुआ है.
चूहा से डर के
Yes, वो चूहों से डर के बैठा हुआ है.
माउस से डर रहा है।
Yes. Okay, how many goats are there? How many goats are there? How many goats are there?
3 goats are there.
Okay. Yes. 3 are there. Okay guys, तो बहुत डिस्कशन हुई, हमने काफी सारी डिस्कशन की. Now we are going to move to the next and we are going to talk about them. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's talk about these animals in detail. Yes? So you can, अब अपन लोग म्यूट कर देते हैं बेटा. Now we can mute ourselves. अब हम लोग म्यूट कर देते हैं, ठीक है? Please mute yourself. श्रेया म्यूट कर लो, म्यूट कर लो, पितांशु म्यूट कर लो, शाइस्ता म्यूट कर लो, प्लीज म्यूट कर लें, म्यूट कर लें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट दीज एनिमल्स दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो। बस आप लोग अपनी तरफ से म्यूट करके रखें। प्रियांशु प्लीज म्यूट करना बेटा। Okay, so now the first animal that we see in this slide is frog. This frog is a tiny creature and it lives in pond and lake. Yes, so this is a water animal. It lives in water. Priyanshu, please beta mute कर लो, mute कर लो. Yes, mute कर लो. म्यूट कर लो, म्यूट कर लो, म्यूट कर लो, म्यूट कर लो, प्लीज म्यूट कर लें। ओके, so this frog, you know. Now second animal is tiger. This tiger is a wild animal. It lives in jungle and it is very dangerous. It eats other animals. It eats other animals. Yes, and it is one of the furious and deadliest animal. ये बहुत ही खतरनाक जानवर होता है. We also call it wild animal. हम इसे wild animal भी कहते हैं. Yes, this frog is called water animal. This tiger is called wild animal. Now the next picture we have is of elephant. Yes, elephant is the most powerful animal. It can tear apart a tree. Yes, it can break down a tree also. This is so powerful. Yes, this is very calm. ये बहुत शांत होता है. But when it is angry, it can do disastrous thing. लेकिन अगर ये गुस्सा हो गया, तो ये बड़ी खतरनाक चीजें कर सकता है. Yes, so elephant is also a wild animal. Yes, it is found in wild. It is found in jungle. Now, next picture is of giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is also a wild animal, but giraffe is not found in our country. ये हमारे यहाँ नहीं मिलता. Yes, it is found in South Africa, the other country. विदेशों में मिलता है ना? तो इसको करने के लिए हमारे पास जगह नहीं है. ये हमारे जंगलों में नहीं रह सकते. इसके लिए मैदान चाहिए. So this giraffe can live in a meadow area. Yes, मैदानी एरिया में रह सकते हैं. So that's why it is not possible for this to survive in our country. Yes. So I have told you that frog is a water animal, tiger is a wild animal, elephant is also a wild animal, and giraffe is also a wild animal. Yes. Now coming to the next slide, you can see what are the pictures you can see in this slide. There is a monkey. There is a monkey and hippopotamus and crocodile and lion. Yes, monkey is also a wild animal. Hippopotamus is also a wild animal. Crocodile is a water animal and lion is again a wild animal. आप सब लोग को पता है कि monkey is a very energetic animal. It is full of energy and it lives on tree and jumps here and there. Okay, hippopotamus is also a very dangerous animal. ये इतना बड़ा होता है कि ये crocodile को भी खा के मार सकता है. Yes. Next thing is crocodile. This crocodile is again a water animal, but it can also live on land. Yes, ये जमीन में भी रह सकता है और पानी में भी रह सकता है. It is also very dangerous. And then we have got this lion. Yes.
monkey का एक बार फिर से बताओ.
Monkey, oh, so monkey आपको तो पता है कि monkey is very energetic animal. Yes. और ये wild animal होता है. Yes, this is wild animal and lives on tree. It is very beautiful animal, but it is also very dangerous if it gets angry. Yes. So लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट स्लाइड जो हम आज करेंगे। आज की मैं क्लास में मैं इतना ही करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ, बाकी जो बची क्लास होगी वो मैं कल करूंगा, ठीक है। एक साथ हम बहुत सारी चीजों को देखेंगे तो हमें बहुत दिक्कत होगी, फिर मैं आप लोगों को वर्क बताऊंगा कि हमें करना क्या होगा। सो सी द लास्ट स्लाइड। दिस स्लाइड इज, in this slide we have the picture of goat. Yes, in this picture we have got goat and then snake and then sheep and then horse. Yes, so this goat is domestic animal or we also call it farm animal. ये हम घर में रखते हैं for milk and meat. Yes, so this goat is called farm animal or domestic animal. This snake, the snake you have also seen. Yes, it is commonly seen in our area. Yes, everywhere you can see snakes. These snakes are also very dangerous because they are very venomous and poisonous. ये जब काटते हैं तो इनका जो जहर होता है वो इंसानों को मार भी सकता है. So it is very important for us to be safe from all these animals. Yes, next thing is sheep. This is sheep. This is also farm animal. ये भी farm animal है, domestic animal है. When and this animal is used for wool. इससे हमें ऊन मिलता है, wool मिलता है. And we also keep it at home for meat and milk. है ना, कुछ लोग इसका मीट और दूध के लिए भी इसको पालते हैं. But the most important thing that we get from this animal is wool, जिससे हमारा स्वेटर बनता है. Yes, so स्वेटर के लिए जो wool मिलता है that we get from this sheep, this animal. And next thing is horse. This is horse. This is the most fastest, you know, this is the fastest animal. Yes, after cheetah this is the fastest animal. इसका जो है इस्तेमाल कहीं आने जाने के लिए भी पुराने जमाने में किया जाता है. Yes, आज भी घोड़े पर चढ़ना काफी मजेदार होता है. I don't know that how many of you have rode the horse, लेकिन घोड़े पर चढ़ना बहुत मजेदार होता है. Yes, so this is horse, and this horse is actually wild animal, but we also keep it like domestic or farm animal. इसको खेतों में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं कुछ लोग. Yes, आने जाने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So this is a farm animal too. Okay guys, so अभी हमारे पास और बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, लेकिन मैं उसको आधे आधे करके चलूंगा क्योंकि एक साथ अगर हम सारी चीजों को करते हैं तो ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा. So it will be very difficult for us to revise all the animals. तो आज की स्लाइड्स में हमने देखा. स्नेक, बेटा स्नेक इज अ पॉइजनस एनिमल. हम सबको पता है ना, स्नेक इज अ पॉइजनस एनिमल एंड व्हेन इट बाइट्स अस, जब ये हमें काटता है तो इससे हमारे मरने की भी चांसेस हो सकती है. इससे लोग मर जाते हैं जब ये काटता है. Yes.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. No matter. I would post this video. मैं ये वीडियो शेयर कर दूंगा. अगर कहीं कहीं पे गैप रही है तो आप उसको फिल कर दीजिए. No issue. Okay. So let
कैरेक्टर ही बताना है.
I'm telling you what we have to do next.
जी सर.
Okay. So अब हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं? I'm going to tell you. ओके, सो नाउ हम आज की क्लास में हमने एक पार्ट किया है. इसके नेक्स्ट पार्ट और होंगे जिसमें हम और आगे जाएंगे और कुछ और चीजें करेंगे. बट फॉर क्लास 1 स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. अब क्लास 1 के लिए क्या करना है? क्लास 1 को सिंपली दे हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम एंड राइट द नेम. बट फॉर क्लास 2 एंड क्लास 3 स्टूडेंट दे हैव टू राइट सम क्वालिटीज, सम डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द एनिमल्स. यस, एंड दैट यू हैव टू पोस्ट इन द ग्रुप. So are you getting what I'm saying? For class 1 you just have to write the name and remember the name, and for class 2 and 3 students you have to write about those animals 4 lines. For every animal you have to write 4 lines, the animals that I've shown you. ठीक है, तो जितनी भी animals मैंने दिखाई हैं that you have to see, observe and write 4 lines on that in English. Yes. So rest of the part we will do in next class, and we will complete it in next class. So that will be the second class. Okay, and there we will complete this topic, this lesson. Okay, so I think that it's enough for today, because if I take it long, you all are gonna bore. आप लोग bore हो जाएंगे. So I'm just shutting it down. I'm just closing this class right now here. तो आप लोग अगले क्लास में ये सारे वर्क्स करके डालिए और कल जब हम लोग क्लास करेंगे then we will see what we are going to do next. Okay? Okay? Okay then. So आप लोग ये काम करके भेजिए. You have to write down 4 lines for every animals that you see. जितने पिक्चर्स आपने देखे उतने एनिमल्स के आपको 4-4 लाइंस उनके बारे में लिखकर मुझे पोस्ट करनी है. Okay guys? Okay? Did you get? Did you get the idea? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to end this meeting and soon I'll be posting the video. मैं बहुत जल्दी वीडियो पोस्ट कर दूंगा ग्रुप में. आप चाहे तो एक बार से और देख लीजिएगा. And you have to describe those animals. Yes, class 2 and 3. Okay. So I'm ending this meeting. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.